And one of the first things I came across was the creative affirmations.
Hmm.
And they really felt good when I read them. And it says, there is a divine plan of goodness for me. There is a divine plan of goodness for my work.
Hmm.
And that's creativity is few people talk about it as a spiritual thing, but it is. There's
Hmm.
the divine downloads that we get while we're doing those morning pages that show up. I mean, a lot of it is just the same thing over and over and over again. Because you're not supposed to necessarily, you don't read something and then write about it. You're
No,
just getting
no.
stuff out of your head.
You literally, this is what I have done with the morning pages and the artist way is I literally get up in the morning, I go to the bathroom, I get my glasses, some water, and I go and sit down. It's the first thing that I do. And I'm not, look, we're not looking to write War and Peace in the morning pages.
No.
It's not for that. But I think it's to it's to work through the blocks. I mean, because we have blocks around creativity and we have certain definitions of what we think creativity should be in our lives. So those morning pages again are not for create, they're to tap into the creative inside of us, but not to create anything from a result of them.